What's up, people? Back again real quick today. Today, I got a nice box that I've been waiting for. We're gonna open it up and check it out. Let's go. So, I've been waiting for my new drone. Waiting for the Skydio 2 to come out. Now, everybody, you guys know it came out a while ago. I ordered this thing a year ago.
What?
A year ago. And here it is. Okay. Oh, yeah. You know me and my new stuff. I love it. All right, so we got this here, and that's all we got in this bad boy. All right, so not worried about that. So let's see, one. Ooh, that's gotta be it. I think this one feels a little bit heavier, so let's go with that. Oh, I think I got it backwards. Oh no. Ooh. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Skydio. Skydio. All right, let's see. You can see it's got this case. It's more solid than I thought it was. I mean, I was gonna buy the super hard case, but then I saw Duff and a couple other people, Zenly, they had this case and they were using it. And I'm like, well, case seems usable, so I won't order anything yet. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, it's got the extra propellers. It's got the plug here. Okay. I like the way that holds it. The AC power adapter here with the plug here. Oh, and a cleaning cloth, of course. The extra blades here, here, and here. Oh, it's got a QR code, but oh yeah, I like this. Hold on, let me get it going. Ah! Oh, I'm so excited. So excited to get this puppy up in the air and running. It's got the nice foam inside the enclosure. So I got the sports kit. I did not get the extended kit, so I didn't get the controller. But the sports kit does come with some of the parts that you need if you're really going to use this for any extended period of time. Oh yeah. Okay. 128 gig card, which is normally what I go with when I'm getting something. So I'm glad they sent me that. Battery. 3 extra batteries. And I believe this is the beacon. Oh yeah, this is the beacon. All right. Card, the beacon. Now you guys know the beacon allows you to control it. You can hit the buttons, you can hold it, point at it, point away, let go, and then you can do directional tap to fly kind of thing, tell it where to fly to, and it listens and responds to this. It also tracks this with GPS, so it's even better than the Wi-Fi signal. It'll track this specifically with GPS, so if you put it in your pocket, you could strap it to your wheel if you want, but whatever you were doing, and I say wheel, electric unicycle, you guys know that's my thing. So this is the beacon, and it's so tiny. I love it. Fit in your pocket, fit anywhere you need it to fit. So the only thing that I didn't get, like I said, was I did not get the controller. I'm not sure if I'm 100% gonna need that later. I might get it, but I got the sports kit because I know 100% I'm gonna need extra batteries if I'm out flying. And I knew I was gonna need the beacon and an SD card. So this pack by itself, I did get as an extra add-on. And yes, the drone itself, just for what came in that box, was $9.99. And then this was $500 to go with the sports kit. It still seems crazy that I ordered this a year ago. I'm not used to taking that long to get anything. Okay. Oh, actually, I got the battery and the dual charger. I forgot about that. It comes with 2 batteries and a dual charger. That was the other thing that was there. Ha! There we go. Okay. So this battery, this dual charger, and you can charge 2 of them on the go so that you can have batteries charged, up and running, and ready to go when you're out flying around with your Skydio. You don't have to wait until you get back to plug it up. You don't have to plug it up, do something else, and come back and try and use it. You will have the ability to charge and have a backup, always have a backup ready to go. That's what I got in my Skydio kit. I'm excited. I can't wait to get out and get some footage with this bad boy. I don't know if I'll get to put any in here. If so, I'll put it. Right there. If not, come back, stay tuned, because I will be doing more videos on the Skydio. Skydio 2. Finally, after a year of waiting, I got it. Unbelievable. Oh, and before I go, you have to check out the new Ride Hard, Keep It Wheel. One of the new Wheel Life shirts that I got. Also, unicyclism, unexplainable joy and excitement riding an electric unicycle outrageously fast. Several people suffer from unicyclism. So again, if you want any of these shirts that I have, the basic Wheel Life shirt that I have, you can go to Teespring. The link will be in the description. If you want a Skydio for yourself, the link also will be in the description. And any of the things that I normally use, keep that in mind. Anytime I make a video, I try to make sure I put them in the description down below, so that if there's something you like, you can always click and go. So thanks again for coming and checking it out. I hope you enjoy the Skydio footage. That's it. That's all I got for you today. Just a real quick one. But if you're still here, please go ahead and hit the like button. Hit the subscribe if you're interested in coming back. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I make new ones. Weekly videos, live streams, and all that. Come back again. Check us out. Until next time, be safe out there. Ride hard and keep it wheel. Peace.